It starts as a block of ice and becomes pure magic. You won't believe what they create with a chainsaw. The design isn't obvious yet, but the craftsmanship is undeniably remarkable. An owl emerges, carved with stunning detail and precision. Single-handedly shaping a life-size sculpture with remarkable control. Witness the head of a dragon take form, one cut at a time. An enormous, crystal-clear shoe carved with jaw-dropping skill. Finally, this lion sculpture is so detailed, it almost looks alive. Subscribe for more.